Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick little fix here on this Stihl. It's a Stihl FS350. This thing has taken a beating, and the last time I took it out to work on, I was actually going to try to clear out some heavy brush, and right when I cranked it, boom, the spring, the coil spring for the pull start snapped, and you can see I'd already started taking this apart. I almost forgot to film it, but it's pretty easy. Just the four screws holding that on. You pop it off, and you unscrew the keeper here, and don't forget the washer. Then these two little screws here, once you take that off, and I'm not going to take the string off, I'm just going to set this aside out of the way. Then there's two little screws, one here and one here, which I've already taken off, and the little cover pops off. If I can get it out one-handed, there we go. So when you look at it, you can see the part of the spring here that's still attached, and then right here is where it snapped. Alright, so I found my tripod there. Let's take another look at this. Let's get this piece off. And I want to make sure there's that part of the spring. Here is the new spring. And you see how you line that up. And I want to make sure where this piece is supposed to be connecting here. Okay, so that's how it lines up. So that's in, pop this on, and that's where it grips. Alright. No sweat. Alright, so this is kind of a delicate process here. You can see how this sits in the slot. Make sure it lines up perfect. And as I press it in, this metal ring should come off. Because it does suck if it comes off too quick and unravels. Then you got to come back and coil it up again, which I have done many times, but I don't like doing it that way. That's pressed in. So it's laying flat in there now, so now if I take this band off, it should stay in place. There we go. Alright, everything looks good. Kind of dirty in here, but not bad considering the way this whole weed eater, this sucker has been through it, you know, but it's a workhorse. But let's go ahead and screw this little plate down before we go any further. It's in there. Let me see if I can get some extra tension on that. Doesn't seem to be a whole lot. But that's about it. And you can see this is in place. Just put it back on. You can see what I'm doing here. So that's about it. See, it fits back on. I just want to take the slack off of that string. But I think I'm going to search for just a longer string to begin with and be able to coil it up. And but that's about it. And you just put the screws back in. But I just wanted to make this one real short and sweet. I just want to get this thing running. I have a lot of brush to cut. And I've got a crap load of projects out here. It's unbelievable how it kind of stacked up this winter. But all that stuff over there, a couple of mowers, another ATV, stack of mowers over there. Yeah, so that's about it. Just a quick video. Wanted to get that sucker running for my own personal use. And then I'll start working on all these projects I have out here. I have a plan, because it's still just early January. Still in the off season, but I have another plan I'm going to do. Instead of just fixing them off and selling them, I have enough equipment here where I think I'm going to start renting them out. And so I'll keep a stock that I rent out, and but I'll keep, repairing and reselling some of them. And but if I'm just renting them out, and I'll see if it turns out to be a fair income, then it kind of frees me to work on some of these fun projects, the ATVs and these scooters, and start fabricating some stuff. That'll be fun. But that's about it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch for some new fun videos coming this year.